Bippy bom, bippy bom, bippy bom. Let's learn and have fun. Bippy bom, bippy bom.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to write the uppercase English alphabet from A to Z. Let's begin. A. This is uppercase A. B. This is uppercase B. C. This is uppercase C. D. This is uppercase D. E. This is uppercase E. F. This is uppercase F. G. This is uppercase G. H. This is uppercase H. I. This is uppercase I. J. This is uppercase J. K. This is uppercase K. L. This is uppercase L. M. This is uppercase M. N. This is uppercase N. O. This is uppercase O. P. This is uppercase P. Q. This is uppercase Q. R. This is uppercase R. S. This is uppercase S. T. This is uppercase T. U. This is uppercase U. V. This is uppercase V. W. This is uppercase W. X. This is uppercase X. Y. This is uppercase Y. Z. This is uppercase Z. Great job! You've just learned how to write all uppercase letters from A to Z. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video.